Hello guys, how are you? I am fine and hope you are also fine there. Welcome to my channel English with Mukesh. So today's now I am going to discuss about importance of English. Yes, what is the importance? Do you know importance means just you have to describe. Yes, if you go any places anywhere, if you want to learn English language, if you want to go other countries, so first of all you have to knowledge about English. Yes, if you don't know knowledge English, so you do not communicate to other people. Yes, and English is international language. English is international. You can go any office, any college, any reputed institute, reputed office, and anywhere in this world. So first you need English. Without English you can't do anything in this world, friends. So you have to learn, you have to do something for your uh, futures. Yes, so importance means I have to understood it is the good way of this language. Yes, and you get a high post job. You have qualification. Yes, you have done bachelor, you have done graduation, you have done anything, you have done engineer, you have doctor, but you don't have knowledge English. So you are not perfect, you are not able to that kinds of work. Yes, so firstly you have to learn English language, you have to understand English. Yes, and you anything in this modern in this time moderns, everything you are getting email, internet, computer, other things, they all are in English medium. And you are, if you don't know English, so you cannot running computer, you cannot understand what is saying computer. Yes, so it is very important at this time. Every students with good students who wants to learn, wants to be good students, they all students this can do, they have to learn English language. Yes, and if you go for other countries, yes, there is a many language or native language. Yes, but your native language is different. So how do you conversation with others? How do you understood others? So it is the international language means English language. Every all over the world they speak English language. Without English you can't understood their places language. What is saying? What will be say? So friends, one language English, you are connected all over the world. If you are don't knowledge about English, so you are not connected to other countries, other peoples in Nepal and India, in America, any places. Every country have a native language. Every country has a different kinds of community stay, different kinds of place, different. If you go one place to another place, every place it has a different language they speak. So how do you understood? You don't understood. So friends, you have to get knowledge of English. And if you get knowledge, if you do learn English language, then everything is easy for you. So friends, you give time more, you spend your time, valuable times, you use English language. And if you have knowledge English, you are able to do anything, you are able to understood anything. You get high opportunity, good opportunity. And if you get good opportunity, So it's develop your personality, it's develop your economic status. Everybody respect you. Yes. So friends, you give time for English language. You learn English language every day. You don't break single day. Yes. And man, if you man, so you can do everything. If you want is necessary for life. Every person they want learn English language, but they are lefting, they are move, they can't learn. In the beginning times, very difficult. Even then, I have to suggest you, you learn English language every day, and you understood, and you speak, you try to speak every day. And if you try consistency, then you are able to speak, and it is very beneficial for you, and everybody respect you. You earn a lot of money for your family, for your country. You help to the poor patient. And I like to say, I hope it is helpful for your video. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. I would like to say bye bye, have a nice day. I will visit next video. Thank you.